Right, so I already set up the Narpult lock. As you saw, I installed it. So I set up this key card to work with it. The door is unlocked. Door is now locked. Unlocked. Locked. Also set up a fingerprint. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked. Also have a password 9098. Unlock. Lock. I can also mask the password. So I'll enter other digits around my password before my password in case you have people around you. And I still enter 9098 and it would unlock. The manual lock from the inner part of the lock unlocks here.
Lock it. Lock it. Just had a poke me.